So I develop apps right now for like little and medium restaurants. That one that it is waiting for receive online ordering. So, for example, here I have like some Brazilians uh, fried empanadas, we could say. But the real name is pastel. I am just trying to explain you guys like pastel de carne, pastel de queijo, pastel de pizza, presunto. You get it? So if you are like, and here we have like other food too. And you as customer, you could choose which one you want to. Like, let's just choose agora na Antarctica. So here for begin, you will need just to put your phone or maybe something that the waitress could call the client name, just like your name, or maybe how do you like to be called. Like, this is just like for clients insert like personal information. In the case of deliver, that this one is good too. You guys will need to put like other information, was your address or like kind of this, or the client in the case. So just let's order like a orange juice. It is like 7 reais. Oh, it's kind of expensive. Yeah, it is. It is like around 1 hour of working here on Brazil. Yeah, it is everything really expensive in Brazil. For living, it is expensive, but for traveling, it is everything so delicious and good. The best thing is like working on US and come like spending holidays and good. Yeah. So here you are going to put your address. So let's go there. Put your address. Let's just pretend one address. Let's see. New York. Oh no, let's put other one. Paulist Avenue. Oh. Oh, you get it? So it. Oh, I didn't know that Pernambuco has a Paulista Avenue as well. Oh my god. I didn't. I even know where is it. So here you are going to put which payment method do you want. Like for example, you could put Zelle. It is like the. Oh, you guys see the color? I love it. It is like my favorite. So here you could just put Zelle or like another one and put your name. Yeah,